There's no fear here, no shame, no violence. Nothing feels broken. Even the air itself feels emotionally lighter than modern Earth. It's overwhelming, Eve. This perfect peace I never thought it existed. The world itself feels wounded now, as if creation is mourning with humanity. Every human being since this moment has spent life searching for the peace that was lost here. We were created for this place, and we lost it.
This place doesn't feel like our world. This world hasn't learned pain yet.
Nothing here feels artificial or corrupted by human greed. Even the air itself feels emotionally lighter than modern Earth.
This world has hasn't learned pain yet. They have no idea what this tree will eventually bring into humanity.
Tell us, what does the future of humanity look like?
We are eager to know what awaits us beyond this paradise. The entire garden suddenly feels like it is holding its breath. They still believe tomorrow will be just another peaceful day in paradise. Modern humanity has spent thousands of years trying to rebuild the peace that already existed here naturally. The world itself feels different near this tree, as if creation already knows what is coming. Eve has absolutely no idea humanity will remember this night forever. This is the last night humanity will ever live without fear.
I know exactly where Eve is going, and I cannot stop history from unfolding.
Every human tragedy in history is silently waiting in this exact moment. That humanity had everything and still lost paradise forever.
I wanna scream and stop everything, but I know humanity's story cannot. This is the exact moment humanity loses innocence forever.
Humanity will never be the same again.
Humanity is about to discover fear, shame, suffering, and death for the very first time.
Adam and Eve were not created as slaves, but were given the freedom to choose obedience or separation.
Will humanity ever return to paradise? You were separated from paradise, but not abandoned. Redemption will one day come.
Why humanity disobeyed even while living in a perfect world without hate, fear, or suffering?
I have given you everything freely, except for this one tree. For love, without obedience, is not true love.
Why did you allow humanity to have the possibility of disobedience if you already knew the pain it would cause?
Love without freedom would only create obedience without relationship, and humanity was created with the dignity of choice.
Why does humanity continue repeating the same mistakes thousands of years after Eden? That humanity still searches for fulfillment in everything except the Creator. and continues trying to replace eternal truth with its own desires.
Does humanity still have hope after everything that happened since Eden? Humanity fell, but divine love never abandoned creation. Dreams. Every human soul still carries the memory of Eden deep within itself. This is why humanity, if suffering, death, fear, and loneliness were always part of humanity's future after Eden.
Death, suffering, and pain entered the world through separation from the Creator, because humanity chose independence over eternal life.
Do we still truly understand what was lost in Eden, or has modern civilization become spiritually numb to paradise itself?
Does humanity still have hope after everything that happened since Eden? Humanity fell, but divine love never abandoned creation.
O sofrimento, a morte, o medo, eles sempre fariam parte do nosso futuro depois do Éden?
Death, suffering, and pain entered the world through separation from the Creator, because humanity chose independence over eternal life. Humanity filled its life with noise, because silence reminds the soul that it was separated from eternity.
Does humanity still matter to God, even after centuries of war, corruption?
Every human life carries immeasurable value, because humanity was created intentionally and lovingly, not as an accident of existence.
What do we misunderstand about God?
You see me through fear and judgment, forgetting you were created for relationship and love.
Your Altus. Every human soul still carries the memory of Eden deep within itself, which is why humanity endlessly